Hey guys, April here. In today's video we're going to talk about how to make an Oukitel U18 look like an iPhone X. Okay guys, so first of all we need to start from the lock screen. As you see, the lock screen looks almost completely like iOS 12 on iPhone XS or iPhone X, and as you see, it's swipe to unlock, totally like on the iOS 12, and the unlock screen also looks pretty similar to the iOS 12, like on iPhone X or iPhone XS. Here you get the settings of this app. As you see, you can get the premium version of it. You can change lock screen. You can make it look a bit different, but the main concept of it is as you saw, as I show you. Okay guys, the second app I want to show you is iOS Control Center. As you see, it looks totally like on iPhone X and on iOS 12 or iPhone XS. The third thing I wanted to show you is the notification center. It looks totally the same like on the iPhone X. It works super smooth and it looks really cool. I recommend you to download this because it works really well. As you see, this is an app which you can use with it, iNoty. Here you can manage a lot of settings and get the best of this app to make your Oukitel U18 look like an iPhone X. Another critical thing you need to know is that you can make your Oukitel U18 icons look like on iPhone X. As you see, App Store icon looks totally the same like on iPhone X, and settings and another icons look totally the same like on iPhones. And how to make this? You need to get the Nova Launcher Pro. Let's go to the secret menu and let's check it out how it works. As you see, it's Nova Launcher Pro. Now you need to go to desktop and then you need to go to the icon settings. Here you can manage the size of it. The best fits the screen is 115. For me, I don't know, maybe for you it's the better option 118 or etc. The icons of the iOS 11 look you can get on the site named Google Images. From there you can get a lot of icons, and then using the Nova Launcher, holding the finger on the button, you can get the edit option, and with that option you can change the icon. Also with that option you get the 3D touch feeling, which looks amazing and feels like totally like iPhone X. Also, you can manage another settings on your Oukitel U18. You can make your app widgets look like on iPhone, totally in the same aspect ratio. You can make the width and the height of it as you want, but you need to get Nova Launcher Pro, so you need to buy this app if you want to get this feature. And you can get another options like the dock changing, which can look like on iPhone X. As you see, it's rounded rectangle and it's totally the same like on the iPhone X. It looks gorgeous. It looks amazing when you hide the buttons. As you see, totally like on the iPhone X. It looks amazing. And how to get this dock? You need to go to this section which is named dock, and then you can get all the options you want. One of the options which I chose is rounded rectangle, and the transparency of the 80%. It looks totally, almost totally the same like on the iPhone X. We can take a closer look to the control center. As you see, here you have a lot of options. The phone looks totally like iPhone X, and you can manage everything here: Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, airplane mode. You can turn on flash, you can switch the rotation of the screen, and you can do a lot of things here. It's just perfect if you want to make look like iPhone X with your Oukitel U18. The only bad thing which we can find out in this method is that you can't remove the navigation buttons because you don't have the root of the phone and you can't go to the main system. Except that you get totally the same look like on the iOS 11 on the iPhone X. You get the lock screen like on iPhone X. You get the unlock like on the iPhone X, passcode lock like on the iPhone X, icons, notification center, control center, and all other things. So guys, thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and support me for future videos like that. And goodbye. See you next time.